So knowing that loans and borrowing is a critical part of financial literacy. So part of our strategy is also knowing, do I want to be a lender and how am I going to lend? Hey beautiful people, I am Matilda from KwachaTribe.com, a place for entrepreneurs and growth-oriented people that are all about making those moves to live the type of lives that we want, that you want, that we all want, right? In that vibe, in that mindset of actually making money work for us, there is this platform that I want to try. And of course, I want to try while you're watching so that I can actually take the risk for you and you don't have to worry about a thing. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to sign up on this lending platform that actually allows us to become investors and then loan on our money on the other side. And as a reward for taking that risk, I will get, or you get, interest back. And so this is what we're going to do. I'm actually going to try out right now. So using this platform that Premier Credit has come up with, the idea behind it is that when you actually become an investor on their platform, they loan the money out for you and then you get back interest, a reward for putting your money. Why would you want to actually onboard onto this platform? I'll give you two reasons. Number one is it helps us make money work for us. Let's face it, we can only do so many jobs in a given day, and having an extra source of income is the way to go. So this way, by becoming an investor on such platforms or such forms of making money, it allows us to say, money, go and work for me, and then when the money multiplies itself, we enjoy those benefits. Now, the other reason, of course, automatically because money is working for us, is we have created an extra source of income, which is what we will be doing through this video. The other reason is if you are in the habit of loaning out money at a certain interest, it's actually less riskier when you actually have somebody who can take the risk for you or absorb some risk for you, and it's a platform and all these things. So for me, if it's easier, then I'm on it. So guys, let's get to it. And I'm trusting that in less than 5 minutes, I should onboard, I should become an investor, and my money should start working for me. Let's go. Once you get to Premier Credit website and you want to become an investor, this is the first page you start actually interacting with. So you get to investor registration, put your email, your password, and then you get confirmation about your account creation. Now you want to enter all your details on the next page and click proceed so that you actually complete your account creation process. So let me just enter my name and things like that. Now, I'm not going to show you everything for security purposes, but you get the idea behind this. You just enter your details. After that, now we are in my account. Here we can see this is the first page you interact with when you create your account, investment opportunities. So you can see I don't have any money in my account yet, so I'm just going to look around and see. You get comfortable with it. You want to check it out before you actually put money on a particular platform, just to get comfortable with what's going on. So I'm going to deposit now money in this platform. I'll say 500 kwacha just to start with, to make sure that, I'm comfortable with this amount. And charge initiated. Flutterwave sends me a one-time PIN. This is also good because I know Flutterwave, it's a secure platform. On my website, this is also the platform I use to process payments. So there I'm copying the one-time PIN, entering it over here, and click verify. Here we go. There we go. Payment complete. I also got notification on my phone as well. So now we can check around on different borrowers and see which one we're comfortable with. So I checked around a number of people before settling in on this particular person. So you can do the same. And now I'm going to give this person the entire 500 kwacha. The interest rate is 3% per month. So which is okay. It is actually good. So I got email as well confirming what I've done, which is investing 500 kwacha in this person's loan. And I'm going to wait for it to be repaid to me. Now you can see in my funds available to bid, I have nothing now, meaning I've given most of my money. But I can check out my investments as well. You can see returned nothing but invested 500, which is what's happened. Check out my transactions as well. It shows what happened. I started out with depositing money through my mobile money, then invested that amount. So
is keeping track of everything. I'm sure in 1 month's time I'll have more information. Thanks for watching, and I know you're going to find it easy as well.